Hello, and welcome back to my projects table. Merry Christmas to me. I have a box full of nuggets, and it's been like 2.5 weeks since this arrived. I'm not entirely sure what's in it, so it's going to be a surprise for you as well as me. So, I just opened it up very briefly to make sure that there was no PII in it, and there isn't, so let's dig into this thing and see what I've gotten. This box comes to me from a volunteer at FreeGeek. If you don't know what FreeGeek is, it is FreeGeek Twin Cities. It is a computer recycler and purveyor of all things retro computing. They're a phenomenal organization. I really, really like them. This is not officially from FreeGeek. It's just from one of their volunteers. Anyway, let's get into this. Oh geez. That is everything in the box. That's a lot. Oh boy, that's so much. That's so much stuff. Oh, ooh, we've got some stuff. Okay, looks like heatsink, nice. Nice little, oops, copper slug in the bottom. That'll need to be cleaned up. But that is, what was that? Socket A, maybe? Yeah, I think that might be socket A. And it would fit a lot of sockets, but I'm in need of a good socket A heatsink, so that's pretty great. Another heatsink. Oh wow. What the heck is this? Oh, this might go with something else that's in here. That makes more sense. That might go with something else that's in here. This bag of goodies, I see a, what is it, 423? Opens as me. Screws. Hey, hey, swag. Looks like that's for, oh, yeah. That fan goes on that heatsink. And you, I'm guessing, are the screws for that. Cool, awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cool. Freaking case patches. And stickers. Check them out if you're in the area. FreeGeek's pretty great. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this collection. This collection of nuggets. Ouch. Fortunately, the tip of that is blunt, so... Oh my gosh. Socket 604. That is... Oh, look at the size of that thing. Oh yeah. How cool is that? That is enormous. That's way bigger than I thought it would be. Let's see. I don't think that'll even fit. No, it won't even fit in my CPU project. That's so funny. Alright, well that's... Wow. focus back. Yeah, I just grabbed the... Yeah, that won't even... won't even fit in there. It's so big. Very cool. Alright, well, I've been meaning to design larger trays for larger CPUs. It looks like that's going to be the start of it. What else do we got here? That thing. Some Nutburst server CPUs that I'm not super familiar with. Look at the size of the IHS on these things. Jeez. That is just... What the heck? What a weird package design. That's... Yeah, this is a Willamette. That's right. It's that offset die. So bizarre. So bizarre. This one would fit. Oh, I've got another one down here. What are you? You're LGA. Something or other. E5530. That is 1366. Will that fit in this? I don't even know. Oh yeah. I'll make a try for that one. For 1366. Yeah. Oops. Awesome. So that'll fit. This is the small version of Socket 604. It's a Xeon, branded as Xeon. Like, the pinouts are the same. Just the carrier PCBs are very much not. How weird. How weird. That's pretty cool. I've never actually seen a Willamette before. That's cool. Alright, so these are going to need their own carriers. These I can put in trays. Okay, cool. Next thing. How weird. Oh jeez, there's a couple of things in here. Oh wow. And by a couple, I mean a lot of things. That's all taped together. And taped over the edge. Oh, it's just open on the end. That's fine. Come on. What do we got here? Bloop. Bloop. We've got an FX 5500, which is kind of cool. Never... Okay, so I owned, back in the day, I did own a 5200, an FX 5200, because I needed a video card badly, and it was very cheap. Because, you know, no one wanted them. They were quite inexpensive. But I never tried any of the other FX series. Like, none of the actually, like, halfway competent ones. I don't know if I'd call FX 5500 competent, but it's like halfway competent. So, anyway. And this is PCI too, so I can run this on pretty much anything. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. And this is a Rage XL. PCI Rage XL. This one is, it's got a cool cooler on it, I will say that. It looks pretty great. VGA card. It's about the only thing I can trust out of it. The cooler is mostly for show. But it's neat looking. I'll say that, it is neat looking. Cool, thank ya. Set that focus back here. Zoop. There we go. Awesome. Next thing. It's all taped together. I'll put my knife. There it is. It's another graphics card. There's another one in there too. What are you? This is what it looks like. Shiny. Let's see what it is. FX 5200. Oh yeah. Speak of the devil. It's way more serious looking than any 5200 I ever owned. Like it has a fan. The one I had back in the day didn't have a fan. It didn't have performance that warranted it. Oh, what do you want to bet? This is another one. Yup. Also a PNY. Those two PNYs. This is much more like the one I owned back in the day. Just a generic, no fan, passive heatsink. You know, whatever. FX 5200. Cool. Let's see, what is next? That is next. Okay. This is next. Ooh, there's a surprise underneath. It's surprise packaging. There we go. Okay. There's the end of the bag. There it is. PCI slot, mini RTX. Ah, that's a bad. Okay. Makes more sense. There's bits flying around in the bag. I think that's the only one. That is what this is for. That is for this. This is a nugget. An AMD nugget. The rarest of nuggets. Not really, but I have so many Intel Atoms. This person offered to give me the AMD equivalent. I was like, yes, please. I would like to test it. So we're going to find out how this does versus any of my atoms, including my ion, which I still have and I still really like. Cool beans. Let's see if there's a model number on the CPU. APU, I should say. Oh gosh, there is. Way, way down in there. Oh, it's really small text. Here, you know what? How close can this focus? Very close. Alright. That's what it is. You know what it is before I do. Because I can't read that, and I'm going to have to search it. There you go. It's a one of those. It's one of the cat family CPUs or APUs. Ocelot, Jaguar, Brazos, one of those. Which is awesome. I love them. They are extra good. Okay, so we've got one thing left. This is all packaging. Get out of here. Go. Okay, yeah, one thing left. It's a big one. Ooh, ooh. Ho ho ho. Ho 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 ho. Look at that beaut. Heckin' AGP Pro. That is glorious. So good. So good. I can't wait. That's going to be so much fun to mess around with. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so that's quite the haul. Got some Pentium 4s. What the heck? Are these Xeons? These are Xeons, aren't they? Yeah. Early socket 604 Xeons. This person, I'm sure, is going to correct me being wrong immediately as soon as they see this video. Yeah, mostly Xeons. Plus a Willamette, which is awesome. I've never actually seen a Willamette in person. Nice heatsink for this, which is awesome. And get the other stuff. Where's the other stuff? FX 5200s. Yay. AMD Nugget. Heatsink for AMD Nugget. Rage XL. And of course, GeForce FX 5500. That's the stuff. That's all the stuff. Look at all that stuff. How stuff is that stuff, huh? I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with this stuff. Yay! Alright, everybody. Have a good one. Be good to each other.